Alright, this is Sparks Pre-Calculus, and this is day 18, part 2. We're going to talk about factoring by grouping. Sometimes, the factoring that we did in the first video, either the difference of squares, or just being able to factor it into binomials, like when we had that trinomial that we did, it doesn't always work, even when there are ways to factor it. One way is called factoring by grouping, and this usually works if it can be factored when it has an even number of terms. Usually we'd probably be done with 4. So here's the order. First we're going to order the terms from greatest to least degree, which is the same step for all of these. From the first two terms, that would be 2x cubed plus 3x squared, we're going to see if there's something there that we can factor. Hopefully you're seeing some of this already. Negative 2 times 2 times 2x minus 2 times 2 times 3. So we're looking for things that are common here, which in this case is an x squared. So I factor out the x squared, which leaves me with 2x plus 3. And then over here, what we have in common is a negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4, so negative 4. And what we have left is 2x plus 3. See this term in here? We end up with two different groups that now share a greatest common factor. This factor is 2x plus 3. So when I take this out of here and this out of here, what do I have left? I have x squared minus 4. And then of course, we're not done because x squared minus 4 is x plus 2, x minus 2. Alright, let's try it again. From the first two terms, we're going to factor out a common factor. So what's common about 2x cubed and x squared? Well, that's going to be an x squared. So we have x squared times 2x plus 1. And then out of this one, we have plus negative 3 times 3 times 2x minus 3 times 3. Looks like there is a negative 9 that can come out of here. Minus 9, and what do we have left? 2x plus 1. This is now what's common about each one of those terms. 2x plus 1, and then what's left over? X squared minus 9. And of course, we're going to get practice on difference of squares. Why don't you go ahead and try this first one, and then check your answer. So pause it now, give it a try. Alright, so factored an x squared out of the first two terms. So that left me with x squared times x plus 3. And then I factored a negative 1 out of the next two. We got negative 1 times x plus 3. So the x plus 3 is the common factor here, leaving me with x squared minus 1. And then I factor that, so I end up with x plus 3 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Go ahead and try this one. Remember, you're going to group these two pieces together, these two pieces together. Pause this now. Alright, so I ended up with x minus 4 times 4x squared minus 1. And then when we use the difference of squares, we end up with 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Now, on the other page, the next page, there are several problems. If you feel confident in giving those a shot, go for it. Otherwise, I really don't mind if you save these for in class and start with some factoring that's not quite at this level. Totally up to you, and I will see you guys in class.